Today, 50% of all Domino's orders are on mobile, making it easy to order pizza from anywhere in the UK and Ireland. But some still struggle with what to order from our huge range of pizza toppings, sides and desserts. Could the solution to this serious first world problem be as simple as a gastroacoustic enterology interpreter? A Tummy Translator app. It would mean our customers could simply hold their phones against their tummies and have their rumbles translated into exactly what their tummies are crying out for, which they can then order from Domino's directly from their phones. After doubling our target of 30,000 downloads in just 1 week, the number continues to dramatically rise, smashing our KPI by 500%. For a build cost of just £5,000, over 14 million social impressions were made. Positive brand recognition was up to an almost perfect 94%, helping it gain recognition not just on these shores, but also worldwide, where it wasn't even available.
Picking out pizza toppings can be a pretty tough decision.
If only the app could translate Japanese too. So next time you're hungry and can't decide what to eat, let your tummy decide.